Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix, yes button grayed out or disabled in user account control dialog box on Windows 10. Type Start button, Settings. Click Update and Security. Click Recovery. Click Restart Now under Advanced Startup. Select Troubleshoot. Select Startup Settings. Click Restart. Press F4, key to save mode. Log in your account. Right-click Start button, Run. Type CMD. Type net space. User, space. Administrator, space. Slash, active command, yes. Net, space, user space. Administrator space, password. Type exit, to exit command prompt. Restart computer. Log in your user account. Type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click, Run as administrator. Type net space, local group, space. Administrators, space. Your username, space. Slash, add. Type exit, exit from command window. Restart your computer. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.